In this video, we're going to look at creating appointments from Microsoft Outlook using Accelerator for Sage CRM. On the screen, you have a visual of what your calendar looks like within Sage CRM. It's where you would make a record of any events that are coming up or meetings that are taking place. In CRM, you can view your own calendar, but you can also view your colleagues' calendar. So we're going to update this from Microsoft Outlook. When you use standard Outlook appointments, you click on New Items as shown on the screen and select Appointment. It brings up this screen for you, which is what you would use using Accelerator also. But if you do it using the Outlook functionality, there is a little button available in the ribbon called Link to CRM, and that actually adds a piece of code in that tells Outlook to add the calendar event to Sage CRM also. So just to make you aware that that is available to you. But ideally, the best scenario would be that you would actually create the appointment from within Accelerator. So in this scenario, we've got the task pane open to Magella O'Connor. So you select on your options menu and create a new appointment. You get an identical screen as you would if you created it through Outlook. But in this case, there's code already added in for you. So this line of code will add the appointment to your CRM calendar, and this lower small piece of code is what gives context. They're very powerful in that obviously the code adding to your Sage CRM calendar pops it in automatically for you. It's a one-way push. If you make a change thereafter, you do have to manually make that change. The second line of code is particularly useful if, for example, you were creating an appointment that's related to an opportunity or a case. The tag tells Accelerator the context and it tells it where to file a communication against it. So we'll pop out in. So I'm going to open my Accelerator task pane. I'm actually viewing Magella O'Connor, so it's going to pull up the context of that person. And within that, we have a couple of active opportunities. So I'm going to assume that I want to create an appointment based on a specific opportunity. So I'm going to choose the Accelerator Lite one here. And using my drop down, I'm going to go for a new appointment. And as you can see, it opens up a screen that is identical to what it would have been if you did it through Outlook. But if you click on Invite Attendees, it has already actually input the recipient, in this case Magella O'Connor. We've got our line of code that adds it into the Sage CRM calendar, one-way push, and the second line of code which is going to actually make it relevant to the context of the opportunity. So I'm going to set that up. I'm going to choose the 26th and we'll leave it at 2 o'clock and send that. Now if I view my communications here, you'll see that it has actually added in a meeting for the 26th of February, the meeting there as we said. So that's the date that it's for. So you could click out into full CRM and actually view that. So there's our appointment set up for the 26th. But we can also go to our calendar. So we're looking at today, so we want to go to the week of the 26th, and you can see that it's been added in there. 2 o'clock Accelerator Lite information. So it's saved as a communication and it's also saved on the calendar. So the benefits of creating tasks with using the Accelerator taskbar is that it adds in the recipient automatically, it takes the context of what you're viewing, it adds to your Sage CRM calendar, and it also gives the context. So in the example that we just ran through, I created an appointment based on an actual opportunity. If you'd like any more information, there are lots of other features to review in Accelerator. We just covered appointments today. So contact your Sage business partner or visit our website at crmtogether.com/quote-order. Thanks for your time.